Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start closing more social media marketing client with data from the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper. Alright, so I need you to know most SMMA owners struggle to close client because their outreach is just too generic. Let's be real. See, business owners get flooded with messages like, hey, I run an agency, do you need help with social media? And what do they do? Of course, they ignore them. But what if you could personalize every pitch with real business insights? Alright, that's where Lead Sniper comes in. It helps you find businesses that actually need your service by pulling the data directly from Google Maps. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use this tool to find the right businesses and send messages they can ignore. All right, now, so here is the hard truth. Business owners don't care about your agency, right? They care about their problems. If you can show them you understand their pain points and actually how to solve them, they will not listen to you. Now, think about these two messages. One, hey, I run an agency. Do you need help with social media? Too generic. Now, this one here says, hey, John, I noticed your restaurant has great reviews, but your Instagram hasn't been updated in months, and that's costing you potential client. I specialize in fixing that. Would you be open to a quick chat this week? You can see this is much more specific, targeting the pinpoint and also putting out the solution to how you can fix the problem. Now, the second message works because it is personalized. It shows that you've done your research, and that's exactly what Lead Sniper would help you do. Alright, for those of you who don't know what Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper is and also how it works, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this tool rightly to start getting the right data for your business. So with a few clicks, you can find businesses that have a weak social media presence, don't have a website, okay, and also have a negative review. So let me show you how you get all of those data directly from the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper. So I'm going to open up my Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper right here on my screen, and you can see this is what it looks like. So the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper tool is an extension that works on your computer browser. All right, and what you need to do from here, input the keyword you are trying to extract data from. So we can see I'm targeting hospitals in the United States of America, and right here you can see we have different places in the US that I have. You can see hospitals in California, hospitals in Texas, hospitals in Florida, and like that and like that. So once you've been able to input your desired keyword, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on start, and automatically, right, see this. So this tool helps you start getting all the data you need for each and every of these businesses, right? All right, so once you've been able to allow this to run for a while, you should have a data that looks like this. You can see everything neatly arranged, but there is something I want to pay attention to. With the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper, you have the ability to scrape business name, their full address, their street, their area, and also the country. Very, very important. And also you can see things like their contact address. If you want to do cold calling and all like that, you have access to scraping their website, their domain. You have many data, you have many things being extracted by the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper. You can see we also have their email for things like cold emailing and all like that. Now, something I want you to pay attention to is this. You can see we also have their social media handles from Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and all like that. Now, look at this one here, guys. You can see their review count is also here, and we also have their average rating. Now, one thing you should know as a social media marketing agency expert is that you're going to be targeting people who don't have, or businesses that don't have good reviews or probably poor social media connections. So for me, let's just go ahead and find one that we can use as an example. Now, if you look at this rating here, all right, you're going to find that this particular hospital here, they have just only one rating on their Google Maps. So this is a business that we can reach out to and propose our service. All right, so what we have to do right now is to track it and see if we have their email address here, where we can either send them a cold email or probably we can do cold calling. Anyone that works best for you should be what you're going to be using. So you can see right here, it's currently on page, okay, or on row 9. So I'm going to go over to the email section to see. All right, you can see we have it right here. Good. This is row 9, and you can see this is the name of the hospital here, Denver Spring Info at spsha.com. And you can see they also have a Facebook profile. They also have on LinkedIn. So you can see these are places where you can connect with them and propose your offer or propose to them this is what you were doing, and this is how you can help your business start doing fine. So if you're still sending copy and paste outreach messages and getting ignored, it's time for you to change your strategy. All right, using real data makes all the difference. So with Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper, you can find businesses that actually need your services and let you personalize your page to close more deals. If you want to get access to the Lead Sniper tool, you should click the link down in the description box below. All right, and you're going to be finding yourself right here on this page, and all you have to do is to go ahead and choose a plan that basically suits you and suits your business. Each plan here has its own uniqueness, so you want to make sure you are choosing the right plan for yourself. And once you've been able to purchase a plan, you'll be having your license key, and from there you can install the Lead Sniper tool, and you can start using it to start getting data that would help you close more deals. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and trust me, you should also check out this playlist where I have all of my Lead Sniper videos stored up for you to learn more about those tools, how to use it, and also how to start using those tools to make real money for yourself online. So go watch those videos right now, and I'll see you there.